explain or say how painful the hangover was today. In front of the toilet on my hands and knees, trying to breathe in between the dry heaves. My baby made me some coffee, but if I drink it, it's coming back right up at me. Couple of Advil, relax and chill, and I'm standing still with how bad I feel. I know I need to smell fresher. I stepped out the back door and fell down the stairs. The sunlight hit me dead in my eye like the stare that it gave half the day to last night. My bad sight made me trip on my ass right into that patch of grass like that's life. All of a sudden, I realized something. The weather is amazing, even the birds are bumping. Stood up, took a look and a breath, and it was that bite that I forgot that I possessed. Never really seen exercise is friendly, but I think that my belly says ride that 10-speed. The brakes are broke, it's alright. The tires got air and the chain seems tight. Hopped on and felt the summertime. If you know this shit, help me out, rock the bells, line for line. Come on, sunshine, sunshine is fine. I feel it in my skin, warming up my mind. Sometimes you gotta give in to win. I love the days when it shines. What? Beautiful, sunshine, sunshine is fine. Feel it in my skin, warming up my mind. Sometimes you gotta give in to win. I love the days when it shines. What? Whoa, let it shine. Whoa, let it shine. Yeah, whoa, let it shine. Whoa, let it shine. And if I could, I'd keep this feeling in a plastic jar. Bust it out whenever somebody's acting hard. Like settle down, barbecue in your backyard. The kids get drinks, old folks get classic cars. Every day that gets to pass is a success, and every woman looks best when she's undressed. Sunshine's an excuse to get loose. Go ahead, show and prove, Cali, shave those pubes. I hear voices, I see smiles to match up. Good times, and y'all can feel it in the fashion. Even though the heat cooks up the action, the streets still got butterflies, enough kids to catch them. Riding my bike around the lake, man, I think I found my escape plan. The day started off all rough, but right now the hangover is all gone. Ain't nothing like the sound of the leaves when the breeze penetrates these southside trees. Leaning up against one, watching the vibe, forgetting all about stress. Thank you, it's so simple. I keep it all simple. When I get home, I open all the windows, feeling alright, catching a tan. The car pulls up, bumping my older jam like rock the bells, put your healing here high up in the sky.